feels like you're missing this opportunity with AI. You know modern systems, how to build it, how to control it, how to communicate inside of the team, but for some reason you're not starting your own project yet, and you see how other people do succeed and you want the same. Is this about you? Then this video is for you. As you can acknowledge, that's FOMO, means that you are fearing something which you can miss from the future. But the real thing is that you're not doing something for a reason. And this reason is that you don't need it now, but your brain is trained from outside world that you need it, that you're missing it, and that you need to move this direction. But if you really want to become a founder of tech company and do this AI startup, then you do really need to consider your motivational system training and value training, and actually get involved into your inner structures in a way that it will support your actual moves in a career, and not only in personal life and under the control of other people. To actually get out of the system of something which have been created by other people, that's a huge accomplishment. And to do that, you need to train yourself, and it's okay, because you're not expecting to come to ski without any skills of skiing. You will need a few hours to prepare, and if it's a more complex thing like kite surfing, you will need at least 10 hours to prepare yourself before you actually will start to fly on the sea and enjoy it. And with startups, it's the same. That's not about the mindset, it's not about your capabilities, it's not about your time, or that you are not meant for that. The question is your motivation, your inner structure, and what is actually you want. If you cannot answer this question, if you cannot answer from which role I'm going to achieve that, which values are going to be presented, then you don't have inner force to actually accomplish it, and your internal system is actually saving you from failure. It's really easy to fix. I have set of consultations for that, which also includes an energy management. That is ability to actually transform your inner situation into a great performance wherever goes. If you're interested, let me know. But right now, I will give you a little trick which will help you to think differently about this entrepreneurship idea and bringing it closer into real world and actions. You will need to work with motivational and value level and perspective. Perspective is easier right now, so we will start with this. Just choose a list of 5 people which are already succeeded in what you want to achieve, and they will become your role models. And if you're using social media or YouTube, please add some of those people, their messages, the history around them, into your daily life, into your informational world. Why would we do that? We will give our conscious and subconscious examples of real breathing people which survived being entrepreneurs, and we're giving examples of this surviving and acting regularly in real life. Until something is involved into your daily life, it's not really bringing you the foundation for actual actions. If you don't have a huge team or a lot of money to force it from outside. So if you're working with yourself, you need this outside world everyday connection with your goal, with something you want to achieve. And see role models, it's easy and helping, but don't go too much into that. Just a little bit, 10-15 minutes per day, that's enough. So now we've prepared your informational bubble to give you enough information and inspiration from people which are actually living the lifestyle which you want to live. Second part is your motivation and values. And usually we are missing up this understanding of what would be the impact in society, what would be something outside, what would be the result with our own result, with result for our personality. So you can write down what results for you're going to achieve. How would you feel? What difference would be there for you as a human being? What difference would be there for you as a person? Who you will become? What part of your personality will build the muscle? What would be with your family? What would be with your other spheres of life? Would they be offended by your growth there, or it will be supported and also grow with your success in startup, in entrepreneurship. When you see on the list of paper what will be results and where are the risks, then it's easier for your subconscious to work with that and actually solve the risk problem, find solution for your inner safety and calm for to actually move. These two steps with your vision on how the lifestyle and living, breathing people are doing what you want to do, combined with a better understanding of why you want this and what it will bring you, could give you a little more motivation for it to actually move since today. But please, please, please don't rush it out. Try to celebrate it and try to connect what you see or understand with actual actions, actual movement at the same percentage, which would be realistic to amount of time you already invested. For example, if you're watching something inspiring for 15 minutes, then you need to do something where you will invest this inspiration at least for 5, 10 or 15 minutes. And not really too much, not so little, but you really need to understand that if you are taking information, if you are taking inspiration, you need a complementary action which will actually give the result in real life, in material form. I believe in you. You'll succeed in your entrepreneurship, business, or professional growth. If you need my support, I'm always here. You can book discovery session. Likes and comments, please. See you there.